The following message has been translated request of gamer Donator2023. This video contains highly disturbing vibes, like, creepy, and if you are copying one of my videos, you get a copyright strike. Enjoy the video.
The following message has translated request of the civil authorities. At 2 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, a huge dark figure roamed around in a town of Texas. If you see this creature, lock your doors immediately. This creature weighs 200 pounds, 12 foot inches, and long legs and arms. Stay tuned.
The following message has translated request of United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, people in Saudi Arabia, Russia, India, France, United Kingdom, Italy, Australia, South Korea, flee the country immediately. The dark souls of the people have risen. I repeat, the dark souls has risen. The dark souls began to possess other people, killing them with a weapon. And once they shot the possessed body, they get dragged to hell and turned into a dark soul. Evacuate now. I repeat, evacuate now.